how you can play Hollow Knight on a school Chromebook. So let's get started. Unfortunately, Hollow Knight is not officially supported on Chromebooks, especially school issue ones. These devices are usually locked down with admin restrictions to prevent game installations and third-party apps. Trying to bypass those restrictions can violate your school's acceptance use policy, which could lead to disciplinary action or loss of access to the Chromebook. So what is the best way to play Hollow Knight? To experience the game the way it is meant to be played, consider using a Windows PC or Mac, a Nintendo Switch, PlayStation or Xbox, or streaming it from a personal computer using services like Steam Link on your own device only. If you are looking for games that you can play on a school Chromebook without breaking any rules, try browser-based games like Calist, Classic, or Darkroom or Slither. Educational games approved by your school's IT department. So while you can't safely or officially play Hollow Knight on a school Chromebook, there are still plenty of fun and rule-abiding ways to enjoy games on your free time. Stay smart, stay safe, and game responsibility. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.